This is a wobbly door hinge. I could just screw them in, the screws, but you see how they slip like that? That's a builder's joke. So I'm just going to have to take them all out. One by one. And just put these dowels in. Drill out those holes, make them bigger, and put some dowel in. Alright, good enough. I'm putting some wood glue in. Simple PVC. No frills. You can put something a bit better if you want. Just bashing in the dowel now. I'm now going to drill some tiny pilot holes for the screws into that dowel, so the dowels don't split. Okay, hinge back in place. Screws in. And that's still fixed. Now for the eagle-eyed of you who are still watching, you may have noticed this split up here. It got worse when I bashed in this third dowel. See, look, no split. And now the split is forming. Anyway, how to fix that is what I did is I just put in 2 screws from this side here and screwed all the way through. It's about here, and down here I did the same thing. Put a screw in from this side all the way through to about here inside the wood, and the architrave is good now. It's a very old architrave, and I think replacing the whole architrave would have been a pain. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and share.